Okay, let's start. Let's go to the first question. Which world wonder, ancient world believed to have the tallest structure on earth roughly 4,000 years ago? Which wonder of ancient world believed to have tallest structure on earth for roughly 4,000 years? So answers are getting locked. So we got 44% on Colossus of Rhodes, 44% on Great Pyramid of Giza, 11% on Statue of Zeus. The correct answer is Great Pyramid of Giza. Let's move on to the next question. What is the currency of Russia? What is the currency of Russia? Lira, dollar, ruble, dinar. What is the currency of Russia? 5 seconds more. Now answers are getting locked. 80% answered ruble. That's the correct answer. Get ready for next question. What is the capital city of Canada? Toronto, Vancouver, Ottawa, Montreal. So we got 10 participants, 6 answered. So what is the capital of Canada? One more person need to answer. Okay. Everyone answered. Let's reveal the correct answer. Ottawa is the correct answer. Get ready for your fourth question. Who is credited with inventing the light bulb? Thomas Edison, Nikola Tesla, Alexander Graham Bell, James Watt. Okay, answers are locked. 10% answered Alexander Graham Bell and 90% answered Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison is the correct answer. Let's move on to the fifth question. What type of sensor helps a robot to detect obstacles? Temperature sensor, light sensor, sound sensor, or a proximity sensor? One person yet to answer. Answers are getting locked. Only 9 answered. The correct answer is proximity sensor. Let's move on to the next question. Which component of a solution is typically present in the largest amount? Solute, solid, solvent, or a solution? Okay, let's see the correct answer. Solvent is the correct answer. Solute will be usually a small quantity which will be dissolved in the solvent. Let's move on to the next question. What is gravity? The force that repel objects away from each other, the force that keeps objects stationary, or the force attract object toward the center of the earth, or the force that act as an object in space. Eight votes so far. 2 more person need to vote. 10 seconds more. Okay, all 9% answered correctly. Gravity is the force that attract the object towards center of the earth. Let's see eighth question. What force act against gravity to keep satellites in orbit? There is a force which will help satellites to be in the orbit and revolve around. What is that force? It's a friction, magnetic force, electromagnetic force, centripetal force. Okay, 20% answered friction, 10% electromagnetic force, 70% answered centripetal force. Centripetal force is the correct answer. Here comes your ninth question. What is the term for the lowest point of a tide? High tide, tidal range, low tide, tidal current. Only one person need to vote. There is a clue in the question itself. Okay, everyone answered correctly. It's low tide. That's the correct answer. Let's move on to the 10th question. What is a chemical energy? The energy of motion, energy of heat, energy stored in chemical bonds, energy of sound. We have already seen this question in the past. What is chemical energy? Okay, everyone answered. Let's lock the answer. The correct answer is energy stored in chemical bonds. It is called chemical energy. Let's move on to the 11th question. What is the main function of a computer's CPU? To store data, connect to the internet, print documents, process data and instruction. So what is the main function of a CPU in computer? Let's see the correct answer. To process the data and instruction is the main function of CPU. Let's move on to the next question. What is the chemical element for the symbol Cu? Californium, curium, chromium, or a copper? It's a tricky question. What is the chemical element for the symbol Cu? Okay, we got curium, 30% answered as curium, 70% answered as copper. Copper is the correct answer. Let's move on to the 13th question. Which element got its name from the water it makes when burned? Iodine, sodium, hydrogen, tungsten. I'll give you a clue. It is one of the component in water. When you know the chemical formula of water, you can easily identify the answer. What are the elements in water? Okay, answers are getting locked. 20% answered sodium, 80% answered hydrogen. Hydrogen is a part of water, right? Hydrogen is the correct answer. Let's move on to the 14th question. What is the difference between fog and mist? You might have went for excursion, right? When you are traveling, you might have seen fog and a mist. Though both are similar, there is a key difference between fog and mist. Okay, 7% answered. Okay, answers are locked. So we got 30% on altitude, 30% region where it occurs, 40% on visibility. Fog and mist both are water molecules available in the air, right? In the mist, you can see farther away, more than 1 kilometer, you can see it will be visible for you. But if the fog is there, it can block your visibility even for a 10 or 1 meter or 2 meters. It can block your visibility. It is more dense. That is the key difference. So the correct answer is visibility. Let's move on to the 15th question. Which of these terms is used to describe periodic wind and heavy rainfall in and around India? Typhoon, monsoon, squall, Chinook. Almost everyone got the correct answer. 3 more percent to answer. 20 seconds more. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is monsoon. Let's move on to the next question. Tomato, is it a fruit or vegetable? Eight votes so far. 2% didn't voted. Okay. Got 9 votes. 11% on vegetable, 89% on fruit. The correct answer is fruit. Let's move on to the 17th question. Solve the inequality. 4b minus 4 less than or equal to 8. You got 40 seconds, 30 seconds more. Okay, let's see the correct answer. 4b minus 4 less than or equal to 8. If 4 goes to the right hand side, it will become 12. 4b less than or equal to 12. 12 divided by 4, b is less than or equal to 3. Option B is the correct answer. B less than or equal to 3. Let's move on to the 18th question. Solve the equation 3a plus 2 equal to 11. Similar way you can solve this one. You got 30 seconds more. Very easy sum. Five seconds more. Okay, answers are locked. Similar way, if we bring plus 2 to the other side, it will become minus 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. 3a equal to 9, which means a is equal to 3. That is the correct answer. Let's move on to the 19th question. Expand 2x minus 5 plus 3y in the bracket. Expand this equation. Again, it's an easy one. You still got 30 seconds more. Okay, we got 10 votes. Everyone answered this correctly. Okay, next question will be the last question today. And after you done with that, I have an announcement to make. Okay, get ready for your last question. Now, a farmer has 3 fields. The first field has 150 apple trees. The second has 200. The third has 175. How many apple trees does the farmer have in total? You got 3 minutes time for this. 2 minutes more. Sorry, 1.5 minute more. One person need to answer. Okay, everyone voted. Let me stop the clock. If anyone wish to change their answers, still they got 20 seconds before I hit the clock. Okay, answers are locked. So the correct answer is 525 apple trees. Okay. Before revealing the leaderboard, I have an announcement. So I hope everyone from GGN school, right? We have a charity drive going on. Everyone know about that. So we, along with this quiz, there will be a separate competition for those kids. The quiz scores will be used for that competition. We will be having prizes for first 3 winners. Okay. This will go as usual. And for entering into the competition, the separate charity drive competition, minimum 10 rupees is expected, already posted in the group chat. Whoever willing to donate, they can donate. It's not mandatory, but you are encouraged to donate. Minimum 10 rupees per event. It's not mandatory or any amount, but minimum 10 rupees will make some difference. Okay. Let's go and reveal the leaderboard. Okay, today Harshit is first, Niranjan second. Both got similar mark, but though because of the time, Niranjan is second, Pranav third, Sai Akshar fourth, Dheera fifth, Varunika sixth, Shravanti seventh, Netra eighth, Vian Adish ninth, Anirudh 10th. Now Anirudh, I think he dropped and yeah, got it. You got it. I'll calculate the score again. I will update in the group accordingly. Okay. Yeah, you'll be having a 17th, which means you will be calculating the time. You will be on 4th or 5th. I don't know. You'll be on 4th. Let me recalculate along with the time and I'll announce the result. Okay. Okay, Kana. And think about the competition. I think Anirudh, you have paid a donation and you will be part of that separate competition. If anyone wish to participate, the same scores will be used. There is no separate quiz will be conducted. The same quiz only, but in that scores, winner will be awarded with a prize. Okay. Rest others, it's not mandatory. Rest others can join the 9 o'clock quiz. No mandatory donation is needed. If they wish, they can donate separately. I have given the links. Okay. Thank you all. Bye bye.
I'm pretty sure that
I will recalculate it. I know along with the score, a time will also included. I will recalculate and announce in the leaderboard. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.